Hello, this is Michael Bruce, CEO of TinyFrog Technologies. I would like to spend just a minute or two talking about, if you're considering having a new website built, some of the things you may want to consider or factor into your decision when you're evaluating a company and or a different website platform. Probably the most important thing is the platform that your website is built on. You're probably familiar with a content management system, or you may be familiar with a content management system. It's basically a web platform or a web system that powers your website. We use WordPress, and there's several other content management systems. It's relatively important to have a content management system on your website, because if you ever want to make any changes to your website, unless you have more significant development skills, you're going to have to go back to your designer or developer to make those changes, even the easy ones, unless your website's built on a content management system. So that's probably the most important thing. In that vein, I would strongly recommend using an existing content management system versus a proprietary content management system. So if you go with a company and they've built their own proprietary content management system, and you decide you want to switch to another web development company or web designer, you'll have to basically scrap that whole thing. You're basically tethered to that company. So it's really helpful to use more of an open source system like WordPress, and there's several others as well. WordPress just happens to be the most common. So that's a relatively important thing to factor into your decision in whether or not you're going to, when you're going to build a new website, is the system the website is built with. So if you have any more questions about WordPress or content management systems, please feel free to give us a call. This is Michael with TinyFrog Technologies.